Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope your hands are ready for a 10-minute scalp massage. We know that scalp massages are amazing for hair growth, for blood circulation, scalp tension, cortisol relief, and just overall so great for the body. If you didn't know, well, now you know. Here are some reminders for you. We want to take deep breaths. We want to keep our chin up, shoulders relaxed as possible, elbows up to just help relieve that tension from the neck to the shoulders. A little disclaimer, okay? You're gonna feel very relieved afterwards. Your hands may be a little tense, but also you may be getting some muscles on the shoulders, you know, doing these workouts every day. It's Monday, let's get it over with, right? So first, let's do some pumps and release these hands because they're gonna do some work. I just want to let you know and remind you, we are moving the scalp only, and I'm gonna zoom in here for you to show. This is what I want to see, not this. I don't want to see this mess, okay? I want you to move the scalp only. Please feel free to pause the video and do a little extra work if it's extra tender, if it's extra tense. First, we're going to start at the base of the neck. Reminder to breathe, keep the neck and shoulders relaxed, and keep the elbows up. We're going to be applying medium to firm pressure. We're going to start at the bottom of the scalp down here where the squishy part of your scalp is. So go ahead and feel around for that. It's very squishy, very squishy. So we're going to do 10 circles there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to reverse. So in the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From the bottom, we're gonna go to the side behind the ear here. We're gonna do one at a time just to focus, and you can grip on the hair to have that extra grip so it's not too hard, okay? So I'll show you where behind the ear, where the hair is, not right behind it. Behind the ear for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite side now. Grip on your hair if you need that. Behind the ear where the hair is pretty firm here. So shoulders back, chin up, medium to firm pressure, what you can do, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now working on the back of the middle of the scalp. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you need to shake out your hands, shake them out. Look at how red they are. Yeah, we're doing the work today. Now we're gonna work on the back top of the middle of the scalp where it's a little bit squishy up here, okay? So feel around for that spot. And shoulders back, chin up. Do not forget to breathe. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your eyes if you want. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one, we're gonna shake it up, okay? Up and down, moving the scalp. You see how my face droops a little bit? Breathe, release your shoulders. We're gonna do the sides of the scalp here near the temples, okay? So feel free to grab onto the top of your hair if you need to have that grip, if your fingers do get tired. But I want you to do medium to firm pressure. Relax your shoulders, keep your chin up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your hands in the same position, and I want you to rock up and down, up and down. 1, 2, moving your scalp only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release your shoulders. 9, 10. Now shake it up. Both of them at the same time. Chin up. Deep breath. That one was a little intense. The shoulders should be burning right now, even though this isn't a shoulder workout. Now moving to the lower part. So first we did the temples. Now we're doing the lower part right above the ear here. Let me show you. Here. Right here where the bone is, we're gonna do that. So you can grip on the hair if you need to. You may be feeling a little hot right now. That is perfectly normal, and that's exactly what we want. Don't forget to breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and reverse. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The same thing, rock up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my dog. 9, 10. And shake it up. The palm workouts are intense. My shoulders are burning. I'm a little bit sweaty. I don't know about you. Let me know if you get a little heated during these scalp massages in the comments. I would really like to know if it's just me, but it shouldn't be. We should all be getting a little heat up here. I want you to focus on the sides up here where the squishy part of the back of the scalp is, here at the top of the crown. So we have 2 corners of the scalp. I want you to go to those and feel around and feel if you have any tension, any firmness here. We really want to work on that. I do have some tension on the left side, which makes sense because I'm usually like rocking my head here this way for sleep. But ooh, so it's a little tender. So we're gonna do using 2 fingers at the corners of the back top of the scalp, okay, where it's a little tense and tender, very sensitive up here. So we're gonna do little circles, medium to firm pressure or whatever you can handle, okay? 1, 2, breathe through it. 3, 4, close your eyes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now reverse. Keep going. You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're gonna do one more round. Please stick with me. Don't forget to breathe, release your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now shake it up. I want you to just tap on the scalp. Breathe, relax. Enjoy the release that you just did on the scalp. That's a lot of work we just put in. Okay, just to end things off, we're going to massage the back of the neck. So you can do as light as you want, but we're going to do little circles just to have this clear pathway from the scalp to the neck to support a healthy blood flow because it helps circulation throughout your entire body. There are a lot of pressure points on the scalp that assist with your whole body. So we're doing a lot of work right now. When we're done, I want you to replenish yourself with some warm water, hydrate, and just keep your body upright and enjoy that relaxation and release that we just did. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, I'm so proud of you. It was a little bit of a longer one today. You can go ahead and just shake out your hands if you need to, because yeah, I know I'm not the only one with, you know, my fingers are a little bit crampy. I won't be surprised if we start seeing more veins come out of our fingers because of this workout in my shoulders. So you can just take your hands like this and just massage if you need to. Okay, massage your hands, rest. Good work. I want you to hydrate with water. Drink a tea, something that replenishes and hydrates your body. And you can relax the neck and shoulders and just shake it all out and enjoy that tension release. Enjoy that calm feeling. Okay, don't forget to follow my TikTok. I post daily hair tips on there as well. If you want any routines or any hair tips or any hair videos or any videos at all, please let me know in the comments. I would love to fulfill that for you. I will see you next time. Good work today. I want you to do this every single day. Be sure that it's a part of our routine and it's consistent so we can see proper results. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.